Up next on Dr. Nancy Knows, everything that you wanted to know about Tower Garden with Donna Turner. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Dr. Nancy, and this is Dr. Nancy Knows, your medical celebrity doctor, the talk show that brings inspiration, awareness, and hope to many communities across our country, uniting our nation. And we do that through not only my 25 years of medical experience, but we bring expert guests in their field of industry to tell us what they are doing to impact their circle of influence. And every once in a while, you'll see a celebrity or two. Dr. Nancy Knows can be seen right here on this network, drnancyknows.com, YouTube, Facebook, Vimeo, and now on Roku TV and Amazon Fire TV. Remember, be the change that you wish to see in this world. Donna Turner, it is so nice to have you here today.
Thank you so much. It's been such a pleasure to join you today.
Thank you. You know, we became Facebook friends, and I love what you're doing in the community. Tell us more about the Tower Garden and, you know, growing whole live plant food.
Yes. The Tower Garden grows our plant food, pesticide, insecticide, and herbicide-free foods with just water. Water and air. It's an aeroponic system. So water and air grows our vegetables.
Well, that's really amazing because our soil, we can't really count on that nowadays, even though you buy organic, but the soil can be affected. And then the pesticides and preservatives of what they spray our plants and vegetables with, and the distance that it travels to get to us, it loses all the nutrients. So with the Tower, you're eating live, pesticide-free, whole plant-based.
Yes.
So that's really great.
Yes.
Tell us, how much does it cost, and is it difficult to assemble and maintain?
No, and it's very affordable. We have a monthly plan that we would just divide that cost into 12 months. It's an investment. So you're investing in your health when you buy the Tower Garden. But it's a gift that keeps on giving. So it's going to be something that you're going to reap your money and benefits very quickly once you start saving in the store. It's very easy to run the Tower Garden because it runs on its own. It's on 2 timers, a light and a water if you have it inside. So there's no maintenance to it and there's no soil. So the Tower Garden just produces with nutrients.
Well, you make some really great points regarding it takes little time and effort, it's automated, and you know, we all need many servings of fruits and vegetables in our life. Whole plant-based is the way to go, actually, and it's a really good idea for the family, the whole entire family, to involve your children and family in the whole entire process.
Absolutely, and every day you can eat from tower to table. Your kids can be involved in it. They can pick the vegetables off of there and bring them into the kitchen and watch you cook them. And you don't have to cook them as much. You know, when we get the food off the tower, it's not like it's traveled. You eat it live and you eat it as needed. So there's no waste.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, you said something about you either, and you have to invest in your health. And I often say that if Dr. Nancy is here, you're either going to invest in one and two things in life. And that's either your health or illness, and you get to choose. And you know how expensive it is anyway to eat clean and organic. This is a way to cut dollars in a major way.
Absolutely. And the Tower Garden food is better than organic because to be organic, they only have to be 10% organic because it travels. When it travels from outside of our country, it can be organic, but they have to spray pesticides on there because they don't want to bring bugs here. So the Tower Garden is better than organic because there's no pesticides on that food. It's just live, nutrient filled.
Wow. Well, that's really great information. Donna's information on how to contact her is on this screen. So reach out to her if you're interested in learning more information about it. But listen, there's more, because the Tower Gardens are everywhere. They're in the airports. American Airlines endorses them. The Boys and Girls Clubs, senior centers, schools, in fact. Donna, tell us more.
Absolutely. American Airlines, they have had those towers for years there in their Terminal 3. And the restaurants that are in their terminals use those foods for their restaurants. So they benefit there. If you've eaten there, you've eaten Tower Garden food. The Boys and Girls Clubs, we give one to every Boy and Girls Clubs for free, because we want children to engage more in growing their own vegetables. If kids grow their own vegetables, they're going to eat it. And so, yes, daycares, we have schools, not only in the United States, but abroad.
That's really great. You know, our young children are growing, and they need nutrients and less sugar, of course. They're growing in their brains, they're learning. The garden towers, the Tower Gardens, just make sense to be in the school systems, and you know, they are interactive as well. It comes with lesson plans. It's just another way to allow children to figure out something that they may want to continue to do a lifetime in terms of growing plants and vegetables.
Absolutely, and it's science.
It is science.
It's about the science. Did you know that we're supposed to, according to the CDC, eat 9 to 13 servings of fruits and vegetables a day? Who can do that? Nobody.
It is a challenge, definitely.
This is a way to get more in, because you can always just go and eat it raw. Raw food is better.
That's great. That's exactly right. You know, the more you cook the food and the softer the food, the less the nutrients are, and you know that. That's really, really great. And, you know, I don't have a green thumb, and a lot of us don't, and you're saying it really just water, no soil, and once a week you water the tower? So you set your alarm for that, and voila.
Yes. Once a week, I add water to my tower. So I put the 20 gallons in. Mine's hold 20 gallons of water. I put that in to begin. Once a week, I add about 5 gallons of water, and that's all I do. The tower's on timers for lights and for watering itself. That's it. There's no maintenance.
It's really great information. Really great. Lastly then, Donna, I'd like to ask you about any upcoming events and projects that you might have on the horizon.
Yes, we do salad in a jar parties, for instance, teaching you how to package your salad in a jar that'll last you for a week or two. Have anybody ever bought salad in the bag and come in there and the next day to go to use it and it's gone? It's wasted. Got to toss it out. We teach you how to put that salad together, and we show you how to put as many fruits and vegetables in the salad as you want. I'm a fruitaholic, so I like fruit in mine. Figs, you know, all kinds of things. I love colors. Put those together in a jar, and you can keep it for a week or two. So you can save it. Each day you can have one. The kids can take one for lunch or whatever. And also in November, I'm going to have an event that I do. It's from tower to table. We have recipes that we share. You know, I'll make something that you probably haven't tasted before that's cleansing to your body from the tower. And we share those items.
That's really great. I mean, individual, professional people, just people that are busy, have busy lives. If you can meal plan from your tower and the food is last for a week or two, you know how much time that can save?
Yes.
And money as well. So that's really great. And then tower to table, what a wonderful idea and concept. I mean, honestly, that's really great. So recipes, showing how individuals can cook with fruits and vegetables from the tower and taste them.
Yes.
That's really good.
And the best thing of all, you're eating nutrient-filled food.
That's amazing.
And reaping those benefits.
So listen, Donna, it's been such a pleasure to have you on the show, and I'm super intrigued about the Tower Garden. I just ordered mine. I can't wait to get it in and promote it, because I think that this is just such great information that people need to know about. It's easy. You don't have to worry about the elements of what, you know, terrain or country you live in terms of what season. You can grow fruits and vegetables in your home, apartment, school, senior center, all year round.
365 days.
It's amazing.
Well, take 2 to clean it out.
Take 2 days to clean it out. What a wonderful thing.
Yes.
Thanks, Donna.
You're welcome.
Based on their biochemistry to be able to turn back the hands of time.
You can do whatever it is that you want to do in life.
Success isn't what you have, it's what you become.
Working with the United States Department of Agriculture.
Take chances.
But the infrared will go deeper and get to the visceral fats.
I'd like to be, and the outcome, the effect I'd like to have, the impact on this world, just like Nancy's doing with this show.
It's not only what Dr. Nancy knows, but it's who she knows.